happy to be back, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am right now to have this video. Wow, lovely lotus man. I'm very good at driving this. Am I? And now here we are in the middle of nowhere. But we're still in Siem Reap, okay? Siem Reap is a big city, small town. You know, people plant this lotus every year, and this is like their business. The lotus farm is not just lotus farm, it's also a family business that people are having a fruit, a leaf, and a flower to sell, and as well to ripe paddy. I love lotus flower a lot. I even have a lotus tattoo behind my back, so that's beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next journey. Since going around and it's really hot, finally we're stopping for some snack. I want to show you guys what we have here. She has snake. Anh ấy kể ổn. Nó xịt. Anh ấy sẽ con nghiệt mà nó. This dry beef jerky, and that is a beef sausage, mostly make it from fat, and the yummy snake. You want some? Okay. Lộ mạch ổn. Sạch con nghiệt lộ mạch. Hey, meow. So cute. She look like my cat, but my cat have long tail. This one have no. But look at her. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Look at her color. Her eye. I got us some snake jerky and the beef jerky. But the smell look good here. And an eel. I said if I buy one, would she sell it? It's too many. Hey, cutie. So we found a nice seat, and I have just spoke to a lady. I said, please, can we look at the back of your house because it looks so nice and relaxing? And she said yes. So let's go. Oh, look at her. She got fresh lemongrass right at the front of her garden. Then she's gonna make food for us. Wow. This is what I love about Siem Reap. You get the best fresh ingredient ever. A goat house. Let's go. Oh my goodness. This is too cute. Look at them. Oh, look at the mini baby. Look, and a mini chicken. So cute. Look at this. Living their best life. Yeah, let's go look down here and let's see. Ooh, there's a lot of big white one in here. There you go. Way more than we expected. Lots. It's kind of hot for them right now. So yes, here's the backyard. Okay, this seems to be not the best way, but let's go to over there. When I look from the distance, it looks so nice, the water from there. Yummy fruit. Last time I went to village house, we bought some like super fresh orange, which is not far from here actually, about 40 minutes or more. But like they have fresh orange from the tree. It's so nice. He can't see, his eye hurt. Hey. I'm sorry, your baby's sick. Look at her eyes. This one definitely sick. She needed to go. There's a tick in here also. If you were my pet, you were running around all over, not in here. See, you love it where I am, don't you? This morning I make myself some food, and the cat that is not even mine, it's come with the house. He was there all the time, so annoying. Wake up in the morning, be like meow right in front of my room, and then I'm like, ugh, again I have to open the door. And then what happened, I gave him food, I bought him food, like such good food the other cat wished for, and at the end he ate all my food, my pork. I was so mad because I was inside getting ready to come here. I'm like, get out now. I kick him out. Look, I have a new friend. I know what she's waiting for. Ta-da! No, get out. Help. But she have millions baby in here. That's why she get hungry. Okay, but it's not your. Okay, come back to where you are. Okay, lay here. Good girl. Ah! Shh. Okay, get down. Not now. So remember, 10 minutes ago, I asked the lady for a fried lemongrass with eel, and here is the result. Smell amazing. Just so you, lots of lemongrass, lime leaf, chilies, hot basil, some peanuts. Oh, you have to try this, it's amazing. And the next food is, we have, remember we ordered a snake. Oh, she crumbed it so badly, so now you can't even tell it's a snake. We got the snake, and then we got the beef jerky here. See? And we got some spicy sauce and some pepper. And let's see what it's like. Okay. First, you need to squeeze lemon into this salt and pepper, as you like. Yes. And choose your favorite meat with it. Let's try first. Try this one with the. I'm gonna try the snake with pepper. Crunchy. Tastes good. Let's see this. Gonna have with rice. We share the rice. There we go. This. Okay. Let's try this also. I show you guys first. I remember how my father loved to hunt all this. My father is the best hunter. He hunts all the different kinds of fish, animals. Because back in the day we lived in the jungle, that's the only way to survive is go hunting. He make amazing food. This reminds me of my father so much. But sadly, I did not try all this when I was young. I'm very picky with food. All I ate was rice and dry fish for decades. And then finally I get to try some new thing, and this is really exciting. Okay, I'm gonna take a first bite, alright? Look at this piece. She chopped it. Gonna have a bit of combination. Have it with eel. Yes, and a bit of spicy lemongrass into it. A bit of sauce. We add a little bit of rice. So good. Yes, here is the last view from this video, and the last thing I would say is thank to Trip for sponsoring this video also, Thank you guys for always supporting, and I will see